How to get Sora AI Beta access. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get Sora AI Beta access. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. Sora can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. Sora is able to generate complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and accurate details of the subject and background. Sora can also create multiple shots with a single generated video that accurately persist characters and visual style. In order to get Sora AI Beta access, the company has said that it will take some safety steps ahead of making Sora available in OpenAI's product and will work with only the red teamers for the time being. Red teamers, also known as the domain experts in areas like misinformation, hateful content, and bias, will be antagonistically testing the model. So the only way to receive access to Sora AI by ChatGPT is if you are a part of the red team or if you are personally invited by ChatGPT. So as of now, Sora AI is not open for general public, so you will have to wait for ChatGPT to officially release Sora AI to the general public once they have completed all the required testings. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.